Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling fusible glass supplies products on Amazon. If you're a glass art enthusiast or someone looking to explore this beautiful craft, you're in the right place. We've scoured the market to bring you the top-rated, most popular items that are sure to inspire your creativity. So, without further ado, let's get started and discover the must-have fusible glass supplies that are making waves among artists and crafters alike. Let's go! Number 10 on our countdown is a delightful surprise for all you craft enthusiasts and jewelry makers out there. The 60 Pieces Transparent Glass Dome Imitation Gemstone Clear Round Dome Tiles. These are not just any ordinary glass pieces, they are a game changer for your creative projects. Imagine this. A package containing approximately 60 pristine clear glass dome cabochons, each perfectly non-calibrated and round. The clarity is astonishing, allowing light to pass through effortlessly, enhancing the beauty of whatever design you place beneath them. Each dome measures a precise 1 inch or 25 millimeters in diameter, with a dome height of 7 millimeters. The weight? A mere 5 grams each, totaling about 300 grams for the entire set. But what makes these glass domes truly remarkable is their crystal clear nature. They magnify designs and patterns placed underneath, creating a stunning, almost magical effect. Whether you're crafting photo pendants, earrings, cufflinks, or rings, these glass cabochons are the perfect fit. They add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any piece, making your creations stand out. So, for all your Christmas decor projects or jewelry making needs, the 60 Pieces Transparent Glass Dome Imitation Gemstone Clear Round Dome Tiles are an essential addition to your crafting arsenal. Get ready to elevate your designs to a whole new level of brilliance and clarity. At number 9 in our countdown of the top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon, we have an absolute gem for crafters and jewelry makers alike, the DL Online 100 Pieces 30 mm Transparent Glass Cabochons. Now, picture this. A package brimming with approximately 100 pieces of immaculate clear glass dome cabochons. These aren't just any glass pieces, they're meticulously crafted, each one a perfect non-calibrated round, with a diameter of 1.18 inches or 30 millimeters. They're not just visually stunning, they're lightweight too, weighing in at just about 5 grams each, making them a breeze to work with. These crystal clear cabochons are more than just beautiful, they're magical. Their domed shape acts like a magnifying glass, enhancing and magnifying the designs and patterns you place underneath. Imagine placing a photo or a piece of fabric beneath these domes. Suddenly, the image is clearer, more vibrant, and full of life. Whether you're crafting unique photo pendants, elegant earrings, stylish cufflinks, or one-of-a-kind rings, these cabochons are your go-to choice. They bring an unparalleled level of clarity and magnification, transforming simple designs into stunning masterpieces. So, for all your crafting needs, whether it's jewelry making or creating intricate decorative pieces, the DL Online 100 Pieces 30 mm Transparent Glass Cabochons will elevate your projects with their pristine clarity and exquisite magnifying properties. A true must-have for every crafter's toolkit. Coming in at number 8 on our list of top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon is a product that's bound to ignite your creative spark. The assorted fusible dichroic glass on black and clear backing, COE 90, 2 ounces. Imagine having a treasure trove of 2 ounces of first-quality dichroic fusible glass, COE 90, at your fingertips. This isn't just any glass. It's a stunning assortment of dichroic pieces, each one shimmering with dazzling colors and textures. The variety is mesmerizing, each piece unique, offering a kaleidoscope of vibrant hues and reflective surfaces. These pieces are sold by weight, not by count, so every pack is a delightful surprise. You'll receive between 11 to 13 pieces, each varying in size, color, texture, and shape. Whether you're creating intricate jewelry, decorative panels, or exquisite art pieces, this assortment is versatile and easy to work with. Picture the possibilities, the way light dances off the dichroic surfaces, creating dazzling effects that captivate and enchant. Each piece, a tiny canvas, reflecting a spectrum of colors that shift and change as you move. Note that the images you see are just examples. your selection will be one of a kind, as unique as your creativity. This assortment is perfect for artists who thrive on variety and love exploring new textures and colors in their work. So, for those seeking to add a touch of brilliance and magic to their glass projects, the assorted fusible dichroic glass on black and clear backing, COE 90, is an essential addition to your collection. Unleash your creativity and let these dazzling pieces inspire your next masterpiece. Coming in at number 7 on our countdown of top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon, we have an extraordinary find for glass artists. The 2-inch black Bullseye fusible glass squares, 90 COE, in a convenient 6-pack. Picture this, 6 perfectly cut, handcrafted squares of Bullseye black fusible glass, each measuring a precise 2 inches by 2 inches. These aren't just pieces of glass, they're your canvas, waiting to be transformed into stunning art. The rich, deep black color provides a dramatic backdrop, making it an ideal choice for a variety of creative projects. Why are these so special? Well, their COE 90 rating ensures compatibility with a wide range of fusible glass products, offering you the flexibility to experiment and innovate. These glass squares are a favorite among microwave kiln users, beloved for their ease of use and exceptional quality. Imagine the possibilities. These squares can become the centerpiece of a dazzling mosaic, the foundation of an intricate pendant, or a striking addition to any fused glass project. Each piece, meticulously hand-cut, guarantees precision and uniformity, allowing your designs to come together seamlessly. The versatility of black glass is unmatched. It enhances and highlights other colors and textures, creating a bold contrast that draws the eye. For all the glass fusing enthusiasts out there, these 2-inch black Bullseye fusible glass squares are an essential addition to your toolkit. Let your imagination soar and watch your creations come to life with these premium quality glass squares. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting your journey, these pieces will elevate your work to new heights. Ranked number 6 on our list of top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon is a true gem for beadmakers and lampwork enthusiasts. The Devardi Glass Handmade 1-pound sampler, COE, 104 glass rods. Imagine holding a sampler pack of Devardi glass, each rod a testament to exquisite craftsmanship from India. Because these rods are hand-pulled and hand-cut, you'll notice delightful variations in thickness and shape, adding to their unique charm. But that's not all. These rods come with a beautiful mix of transparent, semi-transparent, and opaque colors, offering endless creative possibilities. Sizes of these rods vary, ranging from 6 to 10 millimeters thick and 8 to 12 inches long. This variety ensures you have the right rod for every intricate detail of your artwork. Whether you're using an all-propane torch or a propane oxygen torch, these rods are designed to work flawlessly, enabling you to create stunning glass beads, marbles, and other intricate items swiftly. A word of advice: preheating the rod ends in a rod warmer or kiln is highly recommended. The transparent colors may have charming bubbles, reminiscent of old-fashioned glass, adding a vintage touch to your creations. This soft glass is perfect for creating beautiful, one-of-a-kind pieces that will stand out. Dive into the world of Devardi glass and let your imagination run wild. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, this sampler pack is your gateway to crafting extraordinary glass art. Click the blue Devardi Glass link above to explore their full range of offerings and discover more high-quality glass supplies to elevate your craft. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon? Well, don't be a glass half empty. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a shard of our crafty content. At number 5 in our countdown of the top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon is a must-have for crafters and jewelers alike, the Faxco 30 Pieces Transparent Glass Cabochons. Envision this: a collection of 30 stunningly clear glass cabochons, each one a perfect non-calibrated round, measuring 1.57 inches or 40 millimeters in diameter, with a dome height of 9 millimeters. These cabochons are not just glass, they're a gateway to endless creative possibilities. Their transparent, crystal-clear quality magnifies and enhances any design or pattern placed underneath, making them ideal for photo pendants, cameo settings, earrings, cufflinks, and rings. Each piece is meticulously crafted, designed to bring out the best in your creations. The clarity and depth of these cabochons will make your designs pop with vivid details and captivating brilliance. Whether you're creating a unique piece of jewelry or a special keepsake, these cabochons will add an elegant touch and a professional finish. To ensure your cabochons arrive in perfect condition, they are carefully packed in a paper box with bubble bag protection. And if for any reason you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, FaxCo stands by their commitment to customer satisfaction with a 30-day, no questions asked, full refund guarantee. Plus, their dedicated support team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Elevate your crafting and jewelry making projects with the FaxCo 30 Pieces Transparent Glass Cabochons. Experience the clarity, precision, and quality that can turn your creative ideas into beautiful finished pieces. At number 4 in our countdown of top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon, we have a game changer for your glass art projects, the little Square Condiment Dish, Fusible Glass Slumping Mold. Imagine a mold that measures approximately 3 inches in length and width and stands 1 1/4 inches high. This is not just any mold, it's your gateway to creating exquisite little dishes that are perfect for a variety of uses. Crafted to perfection, this mold allows you to transform plain glass into beautiful functional art. Using this mold is straightforward. Simply pre-treat it with kiln wash or nitride spray, ensuring a smooth release of your glass creation. Next, take your perfused or sheet glass, cut to size, and slump it using a precise kiln schedule. The result? Perfectly formed glass dishes that showcase your artistic flair. But there's more. For optimal results, it's essential to elevate this mold off the kiln shelf by at least 1 inch before firing. This step helps prevent mold breakage, ensuring the longevity of your investment. And, to make your experience seamless, each mold comes with a complete New Hampshire Craftworks mold care and firing schedule, guiding you through the process with ease. Whether you're a seasoned glass artist or a beginner looking to explore the world of glass slumping, the little Square Condiment Dish mold offers a blend of simplicity and sophistication. Create stunning, practical pieces that add a touch of elegance to any setting. Elevate your glass art game with this indispensable tool, and let your creativity flow freely. Securing the number 3 spot in our top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon, we present the 20 PCS Transparent Glass Cabochons, an absolute must-have for DIY enthusiasts and professional crafters alike. Imagine this: 20 meticulously crafted clear glass dome cabochons, each measuring 1.57 inches in diameter, with a dome height of 9 millimeters. These half-round, flat-backed cabochons are not just transparent but crystal clear, making them the perfect medium to enhance and magnify your designs. Picture this: using these cabochons to create stunning photo medallion necklaces, unique back-to-school gifts, or even special Halloween accessories. Their versatility knows no bounds. Whether you're crafting cameo pendants, custom jewelry, or intricate glass eyes, these cabochons add a touch of elegance and clarity to every piece. Each cabochon comes with a blue protector layer, ensuring they remain pristine until you're ready to use them. Their non-calibrated nature means each piece has its own unique charm, allowing your creativity to flow freely. Perfect for photo jewelry, crafts, and custom projects, these transparent glass cabochons will elevate your work to new heights. Dive into your next DIY decor project or create unforgettable souvenir gifts with these essential crafting tools. Let your imagination soar and transform ordinary materials into extraordinary creations with these versatile cabochons. Claiming the number 2 spot on our countdown of the top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon, we have the ILLUCKAI 12 Sheets Rainbow Transparent 96 COE Fusing Glass Sheets. This vibrant assortment is a dream come true for any glass artist looking to add a burst of color and sparkle to their creations. Envision this: a pack of 12 deluxe sheets of System 96 fusible glass, each measuring a convenient 4 by 6 inches. This is not just any glass, it's a rainbow of transparent colors, meticulously crafted to elevate your art projects to a whole new level. The variations in colors, patterns, and transparencies ensure that every piece you create is unique and captivating. Imagine the possibilities. These glass sheets are perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you're crafting intricate jewelry, designing stunning home decor, creating mesmerizing Tiffany lampshades, or constructing beautiful windows and doors, these sheets provide the perfect medium. They're also ideal for murals and other mosaic crafts, adding depth, sparkle, and a touch of bling to your projects. Each sheet in this assortment is designed to be compatible with other System 96 glass, making it easy to integrate into your existing collection. The high-quality COE 96 glass ensures that your projects fuse perfectly every time, giving you consistent and beautiful results. So whether you're an experienced artist or just starting out, the ILLUCKAI 12 Sheets Rainbow Transparent 96 COE Fusing Glass Sheets offer endless opportunities to unleash your creativity. Dive into this colorful array and transform your artistic vision into reality. Let your imagination soar with this essential addition to your glass crafting supplies. And now, taking the coveted #1 spot in our countdown of the top 10 best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon, we present HAUTOCO 60 Pieces Glass Dome Cabochons. This product is the epitome of versatility and elegance, making it an absolute must-have for crafters and jewelry makers alike. Picture this: 60 perfectly clear, round glass cabochons, each with a diameter of 25 millimeters, exactly 1 inch, and a thickness of 6.5 millimeters. Each piece weighs approximately 4.5 grams, culminating in a total weight of 270 grams. These cabochons are not just simple glass tiles. They feature a non-calibrated flat-back design that offers a subtle magnifying effect. This unique characteristic brings your designs to life, enhancing and magnifying the details underneath. Now imagine the endless possibilities. These glass cabochons are perfect for handmade crafts and photo pendant making, turning your artistic visions into tangible reality. They're ideal for creating stunning cameo pendants, beautiful photo jewelry, and unique DIY crafts. But it doesn't stop there. Use them for fridge magnets, keychains, bracelets, brooches, and more. Each piece is a blank canvas waiting for your creative touch. Envision giving these as memorable presents to family and friends. Each crafted piece not only showcases your creativity, but also carries a personal touch that makes it truly special. These cabochons are more than just crafting supplies. They're the foundation for heartfelt, handmade gifts that will be cherished for years to come. So, for those looking to elevate their crafting game, the HAUTOCO 60 Pieces Glass Dome Cabochons are the ultimate choice. Let your creativity soar and transform ordinary materials into extraordinary works of art. With these cabochons, the only limit is your imagination. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling fusible glass supplies on Amazon. To stay updated on all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.